Nagabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni Umantri Katnat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ba Methodius Jakhar uladon halor ka jinyalang jangkatnat ber ula play pat baru ya ka Aadhaar Mission Mode Project 2.0 ber ka Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 3.0 ha State Convention Center Shillong ha kajing kran pli kajing yalang umantri ulapan pau bakane kalong kajing ya chaprang kum ka ying kha kabari ban trailang kum ka wei ka kin hon ban pinbiang ya kajing man toy sha ki pat ba ulakan tu juri ki officer baki DC namanna ki district bakin tray kum kajing ya trailang ka ba shisha bat ban long ki ba kloy ha kajing ai jing shakri khampen slam khanang ban poi kajing man toy sha ki long ying ki batung Umantri lo ongru ba ya kajing pinbet ya kajing bakla ba kajing pinskam ba omdan mano ubala ban shim ya ka hok jong ki long ying ki badung but day ban pindap no mardor kathong ka long ban pindap pura prakhat ya ki jing yakran jong ka sarkar kmi bar ka sarkar jilla ha ka jing pin biang kham kut jingbam bar kumju ka umkhnyang shamanna ka long ying ulakan tu jur ba ki jing pin bet ha ka ba dei ba ka Aadhaar linkage ya ki PHH ki ba hapo sansnam dei ban pindap hapo shisnam Hakmat jongphi ki don ki kime ki ba aplang ba la prakhat barabori ka jing don kam ki khun khanna ong umantri habakran herkle ula dap ru da ka jing ngos kham ba ka jing shimkya manta kan pinne ye ka jing pin poi jing shakri khlam jing artatien shamanna ka long yeng ha ka jilla ula kerpat iki DC ba kan long ki ba khlan ha ka jing ket khli bat ba kan don ka jing itrei kalru ka ba khlam jing bam kamen lat no na ka jing men toy jang upat ba
that in regards to two things, which is one is the eKYC that we have to do of Aadhaar seeded beneficiaries and non-seeded beneficiaries. But secondly, also we will be doing a review of PMUY. We have officials from IOCL. So that is the first agenda. But second, also because it is the first meeting our Honorable Minister is having with everybody, the entire supply department. So we are very grateful, sir, for your presence, and we hope that all of us can, contribute and take supply department to better. And thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, everybody, for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for initiating today's proceeding on such a positive and inspiring note. Again, may I now request Madam Director, our Honorable Minister, and the official of
to serve the society. So I would, like our principal have already requested you, to put more effort to take this program of the central government and the state government to take it forward to the grassroots level, to the beneficiary. So we'll be needing your cooperation, we'll be needing your hand-holding and your dedication to provide the service to the people of our state. So again, today I would like to say that we are all sitting here. It's not maybe just another official meeting, but again, it's another moment, a moment to remind ourselves that we are here to serve, and we are here to serve with dignity, and we are here to do our person in Meghalaya. He has the right to receive food grains on time. That is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our states. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society. So, and I will not take much time, because we will be having lots of presentation, and we will be. The Secretary has already briefed you what are the difficulties that we are facing as the state, and what are the difficulties we are facing as the department. So I would again insist on each and every one of you, and again I would like to reiterate that Our nation, the highest institution, the Supreme Court and the central government has already given us a guideline, has already given us the timeline that we need to fulfill those requirements, to the Aadhaar seeding, the eKYC linking, and we are well behind the schedule, and we are well behind the target that the government of India is giving, and behind the target that the Supreme Court is giving the timeline to each and every state. So again, I would request to each and every one of us to put this on a serious note and let us deliver. So I would like to say that maybe from today, let us say that EPOS be our default and our discipline. When we record every transaction through EPOS, and we are not just using technology, we are ensuring honesty, fairness, and transparency. eKYC, to many of us, it sounds like a very technical term, but it's about dignity. It ensures that no one else can take away what belongs to a poor family. It must be done for every beneficiary and repeated every 5 years. For children, Aadhaar must be captured at the age of 5 and their eKYC completed within 1 year. And if a card is flagged as disabled, let us verify it very quickly, because behind that card, maybe a mother is waiting with her child. So, and once again, I would like to remind that our state now have already embraced this smart PDS, a smart PDS system designed to bring speed, accuracy, and transparency. But as we are all aware that technology alone is not enough. It needs a human intervention. So let us fix the mismatch, correct the errors, and complete all the pending eKYC through a mission mode. Let us work together so that ration distribution continues smoothly for every household and without fail.